Hi everyone, I am Asta Kalra and I am a certified graphologist. Today again I am going to talk about negative thoughts, which is a very common problem. In my previous video I have explained how you can actually switch your negative thoughts to positive thoughts again and again to break that pattern, and eventually this is an exercise for your brain. So don't worry if negative thoughts come again and again. It is impossible to control them. They will come, but it is in our hands how we deal with them and not to ponder over it. So in case you feel difficult to control it, what you can do is that try this technique with this pen and paper. I'll explain how you need to do it. Just follow this again and again religiously whenever you get these chain of negative thoughts, and it can actually help you. So let me show how to actually do it. Okay, so what you need to do is just practice this simple technique where you have to imagine as if your negative thought is a ripple in a ocean or in the waves. You have to make this ripple like this and make waves like this. Now imagine that this negative thought is just going away forward and forward, and just keep doing like this. Eventually this negative thought will be out of your brain, like this ripple effect, like this ripple has just gone out of these waves. So it's a simple technique. You just need to practice it. Whenever you get this negative thought, take a pen and a paper, just do it. This will actually bring your attention to the conscious effort you're making, and with gradual practice you will stop having these chain of negative thoughts. For more updates and insights, do follow me on Facebook, Instagram, like my channel, subscribe it, and do share. Thank you everybody. Hope you all are good.